We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center, sustaining a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. Throughout this cycle, its form is expressed as sulfur. This is the substance we bring into order. The 16th particle of the stone appears as the burning stone, ready to be observed and refined through the different perspectives offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the perspective of manifestation. The throne of Leo opens the 5th position and directs our attention to the allotropes of sulfur and its brilliant yellow color. From this seat, sulfur reveals itself as the nonmetallic element whose intense yellow hue and resinous luster captivated alchemists for millennia, as the atom that crystallizes into crown-shaped S8 rings with a geometry unmatched by any other nonmetallic element. What ignited became mineralized, transmitted biogeochemical information, and protected protein architecture now finds visible expression through its multiple crystalline forms. Rhombic sulfur, stable below 96 degrees Celsius, forms translucent yellow crystals. Monoclinic sulfur, present between 96 degrees Celsius and 119 degrees Celsius, grows as needle-shaped crystals. Plastic sulfur, produced by rapidly cooling molten sulfur, stretches into amorphous chains. Sulfur inhabits the historic display cases where yellow crystals were treasured as philosophical matter, the chromatic palette ranging from lemon yellow to golden orange, and the cyclic geometry in which 8 atoms form molecular crowns unique among the nonmetals. Seen from the throne of Leo, the burning stone discovers unique chromatic expression, the capacity to reveal itself through multiple crystalline forms, and the power to create presence through visible octagonal geometry. Autoignition becomes the art of yellow. Its own fire organizes itself as an allotropic display. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of resonance expression. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner burning stone and accompanies the fine calibration of the particle. As you hold your gaze upon it, expression comes into order, and the 5th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Sulfur becomes radiant. The will continues its conscious rotation. Thus, today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold one affirmation inwardly throughout the entire practice. I am expressing my unique yellow from my own being. Allow your mind to remain luminous and self-contained at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it silently for at least 3 complete breaths. Allow the flame to dissolve emotions associated with hiding your true nature, shame of your own color, fear of being seen, and resistance to shining. Emotion is brought into order through chromatic expression. Action, integration into the body. Pour yourself a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am sulfur that shines. Repeat it 3 times with full awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating the allotropes into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.